Come again another day. Little Abby wants to play. Rain, go away. Is it raining out there?
It's raining at the back.
Yeah.
I want to go outside.
Yeah, I just want to go outside too. Should we sing it one more time? Here, let me put you down. Here, wait. Can you turn around and look? We'll make a movie. Ready?
Movie.
Yeah, but you gotta stay there. No, you're not in the movie. See? Now it's just raining outside and nobody's in the movie.
Not in the movie.
Can you go stand right there so that you'll be in the movie? Okay. You'll be in the movie. Okay, sing it.
Go away.
Another day. Little Abby wants to play. Rain.
Rain on my back.
You're getting rain on your back?
Yeah.
Oh no. Should we,
Uh-oh.
oh no. Should we come inside? You want to take a step inside? Look at Emma likes the rain. Hi Emma.
Take that. I want to play.
Yeah. Okay, let's go inside now. Say bye-bye, Rain.
Bye,
See you later.
Ray.